you have a beautiful singing voice, but I've heard you also have a great beatbox
yes,
skill. Is that right?
I got
You
some
can beatbox?
skills on them. Yes. Okay, well, I guess I was listening to like Biz Marquee one day in the car, and I just thought I could like channel him. And so I started to try to beatbox, and my driver told me, if you just say boots and skirts, you can beatbox, but take out the vowels. So I started going, boots, skirt, right?
Right.
And he said, thank you.
I thought that sounded pretty good.
He said it sounded like I was giving a bad blowjob.
Well, see, first of all, he's wrong because there's no such thing. Yeah. Make whatever noise you want.
Really doesn't matter.
I know. And then
Try it again with a different sound this time.
Can you do it?
Oh, beatbox.
I don't know. You gotta find that out for yourself.
Wow, that was close. I almost said sophomore year. Settle down, everybody. Let's move on to it. Well, can I beatbox? I do a terrible beatbox. But I
Boots and skirts it.
That sounds like a good blowjob.
That sounds like a lot of work.
That's a hydraulic one.